Imagine a smart and reconfigurable production system that can perceive, reason, adapt, collaborate, and innovate. A system that can handle diverse production environments with multiple autonomous agents, such as robots, autonomous guided vehicles, and humans. A system that can exploit the collective perception of these agents and enable them to interact with each other and coexist with humans in a safe and inclusive way. This is Converging. Converging is a project that aims to revolutionize the production systems by combining the advances of big data, AI, robotics, and social sciences and humanities. It seeks to create safer, more flexible, reconfigurable, and modular production environments that can adapt to diverse and changing needs. The converging technologies will be applied in 4 use cases from different manufacturing sectors, namely automotive, white goods, aeronautics, and additive manufacturing. In the automotive use case, we will investigate the use of robots for collaborative finishing of large stamping dies, while in the white goods use case, we will investigate the use of humanoid robots for collaborative assembly of electrical hubs. On the other hand, in the aeronautics use case, we will investigate the use of robots for collaborative inspection of aircraft fuel tanks. Last but not least, in the additive manufacturing use case, we'll investigate the use of AGVs and high payload robots for post-processing operations and additive manufactured parts. Converging is the future of smart production in manufacturing. Join the adventure of our consortium and be a part of it.